Thank you, Mr. Yorokazis. First, I would like to thank you for having me here in this panel. And second, as I am the General Director here in the Eugenidium Foundation, I would like to also to welcome you all here. And we're very glad to have you in our foundation here. You know, Viennese Foundation is a foundation that has a lot of activities in maritime industry. One of its activity is maritime education, where we have a lot of efforts put for the last 5 to 6 decades. So, coming to your question and keeping the time, I think it's 3 to 4 minutes, right? Correct. Okay. Is that we believe that digital transformation can really critically contribute towards improving the maritime education and also the syllabus of the maritime education. Perhaps we'll have time later to talk a little bit more about the role of education and how this will face all the problems already mentioned now. But through the digital tools that digital transformation can offer, we can have a better relation between the students, the teachers, and the issue actually taught. You know, people who are now entering academies of maritime industry are Z generation. These guys are very well acquainted to the digital environment, and they cannot see themselves out of it. Traditional, conventional educational procedures cannot really attract them. We cannot really keep their attention in. So we have to go to different educational procedures that will allow them to use what they are used to do, to use this intervention procedure, this procedure that interactively contribute to the educational procedure. So it's obligatory that we go to digital tools for educational material. And when I'm saying digital tools, I'm not only saying the book, the main book, which is digital. I'm not talking about PDF here. We're talking about books that are really interactive with the students. But I'm also talking about other tools like VR, AR, like simulation procedures, like gamification, like interactive answering, questioning and answering. In other words, we believe that this procedure, digital transformation, should concentrate in two axes. One axis is changing all the material, the educational material, to something which is digital, and then so find out the specifications about this effort. And also the second axis is really teaching the teachers, producing a platform through which they can produce the teaching period, the 2-hour teaching period, by using all these different educational tools. Now, digital. Now, Viennese Foundation has a lot of activities in these areas. I'm not going to talk about it because we don't have the time. What I would like to say is that apart from all these benefits, this digital transformation will give the chance to the students to get acquainted in the everyday activities with advanced technology and develop their skills in this area, which is something very much useful during their professional life. So I would like to close stressing that digital transformation doesn't really mainly address remote education, but it addresses the hybrid educational procedure, which mainly concentrates in teaching within the class.